What's the meaning of cannulate? Cannulate. Cannulate.
Cannulate. Cannulate. Cannulate refers to the process of inserting a thin, flexible tube, cannula, into a blood vessel or other tubular structure in order to provide medications, nutrients, or fluids directly into the bloodstream or other body systems. This technique is commonly used in various medical procedures, including dialysis, cardiac bypass surgery, and intravenous therapy. The result of cannulation can vary depending on the specific context and purpose of the procedure. In general, however, successful cannulation allows for direct access to the targeted structure or system, which can facilitate the delivery of necessary treatments or support while minimizing discomfort or risk to the patient. However, improper cannulation can lead to complications such as infection or bleeding.